Hi, my name is Amanda Koenig. I'm a fifth-year PhD candidate in the Genetics and Genome Sciences and Molecular Plant Sciences programs at Michigan State. As president of the Genetics and Genome Sciences Graduate Student Organization, I want to welcome you to Michigan State University and take a few minutes to tell you a little bit more about our graduate program. We are an interdepartmental graduate program that offers exceptional interdisciplinary training, flexible coursework and mentorship, teaching, writing, and professional development opportunities. And importantly, I want to highlight our immensely supportive and motivated student cohort who plan and lead our weekly research fora and an annual mini symposium, organize lots of outreach activities, and get together often for sports games, arts festivals, and game nights. Now, a few of our students will introduce themselves, so I'll get us started. I work in the Hoffman-Benning lab, where we use biochemistry, optogenetics, microscopy, and transcriptomics to study how lipid-mediated systemic signals in plants can improve global food security. Because of the diversity of approaches in my project, the flexibility of the GGS interdisciplinary program has been perfect for me. On top of that, a training grant through the GGS program gave me opportunities to work in Washington, D.C. and Dusseldorf, Germany as a USDA NIFA National Needs Fellow, which prepared me for a future career in science policy. I'm so grateful for the GGS program over these last 5 years, and I hope you consider GGS as well. See you around MSU soon.
Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Corbett and I am a student in Dr. Kathy Ernst's lab in the GGS graduate program. And my research utilizes bioinformatics and DNA sequencing techniques to better understand epigenetic gene regulation in livestock species. And we're particularly interested in responses due to weaning stress in pigs and incubation stress in chickens. And the GGS program has really afforded me a lot of great experiences throughout my time here. In particular, I was able to work as a policy intern in DC, as well as a visiting scholar at a life sciences institute in the Netherlands, just to name a few. And with that, I will wish you all, good luck in your grad school interviews and hope to see you at MSU sometime soon.
Hi there, I'm Brooke Armistead and I'm a third-year PhD candidate in the Genetics and Genome Sciences program. I work in Dr. Sasha Drulow's laboratory and we're located here in the Grand Rapids Research Center. The major focus of my research is to understand molecular mechanisms of placental development, and being in Grand Rapids has allowed me to collect fresh placental tissues from the local hospitals just right up the road. This has been really essential for my research projects. The GGS program has been super supportive of my research interests here in Grand Rapids. They've allowed me to tailor my schedule to what works for me, and I've been able to take lots of classes online to minimize the amount of times I've had to travel to East Lansing. Even though I'm located a little bit of a distance from the main campus, I still feel really involved through lots of participation in social events, outreach activities, and even weekly writing groups. I really hope that you consider MSU for your PhD and definitely check out the GGS program.
I'm Jake Reske, a BMS alumnus and fourth-year graduate student in the GGS program. I work in Dr. Ron Chandler's lab in the OBGYN department at our satellite biomedical campus in Grand Rapids, Michigan. My thesis research focuses on understanding epigenetic mechanisms which control transcriptional regulation in the uterus. I was drawn to this work not only because we apply cutting-edge genomic techniques in vivo, such as RNA-seq, ATAC-seq, and ChIP-seq, but also because epigenetic regulators are mutated at a high rate in almost every type of cancer. I first was interested in the GGS program because it aligned with my research interests in genomics. But after meeting Kathy and the other GGS students, I felt a strong sense of community, morale, encouragement, and welcoming that I did not see in the other programs. Now, enjoy your recruitment weekend, and I hope you consider joining us at GGS.
Hi, my name is Christine Pinalp, and I am an MD PhD student here at Michigan State University, which means that I'm working towards my medical degree and PhD together. I'm currently in my fourth year of PhD research in Brian Gulbranson's laboratory, where we study the enteric nervous system, or the nervous system of your gut. I'm particularly interested in how early life stress affects the cells of your enteric nervous system, and I use genetic expression techniques like RNA-seq and microscopy to study this. I really like the GGS program because of the flexibility it offered me, not only to work back and forth with my medical courses, but also to tailor my education and training here for the kind of work I would like to do as a physician scientist. Also, my peers have been very helpful on a professional level with reading, writing, and editing, and on a personal level with all the social events that we've had in the past. So, welcome to MSU. We hope you love it here and that I get to meet you real soon.